I'm Wes Donahue. I'm Channel Marketing Manager with TVLogic USA, and I'm here to show you our new products on display at NAB 2011. The first product we're going to show you is the VFM-056W. This is a 5.6-inch viewfinder display designed primarily for HDSLR and compact cinema production. Some of the unique features of this monitor include an HDMI to HDSDI conversion in the monitor. What this allows you to do is, if you're going to have to extend the monitor viewing to an outboard monitor for clients or additional people, you do no longer have to connect the monitor to some type of a HDMI splitter or converter. The monitor will do it itself. So you plug into the video out from the Canon or HDSLR monitor, and video display will then loop out in 720p to an external monitor. If you want to be able to monitor outside of the VFM monitor without having to connect some type of a signal splitter, the VFM-056WP will allow you to take the HDMI signal coming off the HDSLR camera and pass it through to the external monitor via HDMI. This is particularly useful when the external monitor doesn't have an HDMI input and you don't want to have to kludge together some type of a conversion rig when you've got very little space and ability to do so. So this has been a really popular feature with this monitor. Another really great feature that is ideal for HDSLR shooters is what we call DSLR scaling. The reason why this is necessary is that many DSLR cameras output different resolutions between live record mode and playback. So we've enabled DSLR scaling to stretch the picture out to full screen when it's in live record mode, and also to be in correct aspect ratio during playback. So this way you don't have to look at a postage stamp size image in one mode and then full screen in another. So I'm going to go through some of the features here of the 056WP. That's the premium model. One of our features that, and this is available on both models, is focus assist. What this does is it actually allows you to apply a color on the edge to see when the sharp edges of the image are in focus. And as you can see here, as I go through different areas of focus, a red edge will show up, and that tells me that I'm in tight focus. Another feature is range error check. A warning will display, as you can see here, when preset areas of luminance in YCBCR mode, you can actually go into the menu and select where those peak levels are, and once you've gone out of range, this alarm will show up on the screen. Another feature we have is LumaZone check. And what that will do for you is that when you go into turn that feature on, as you can see here, there are different colors that are associated with the different levels of luma, and you can actually set a preset range, or you can go in and adjust that yourself, and it'll show you, based on the color that you see there, what the level of luminance is in that portion of the picture. So again, that's just another useful feature for diagnosing, if you're seeing the correct luminance on the screen. Another premium feature is built-in waveform and vector scope. You can monitor Y, CB, CR, and vector scope, or off. And there's two different sizes you can adjust for the waveform vector scope, small and large, and position on the screen. The base level model includes all the other features that we have in most of our monitors, which include the ability to color calibrate the display with our CL Soft software and a approved probe. We have 5 different probes you can use with this monitor, and that's true for all of our monitors, by the way. We have HDMI in, HDSDI in, and loop out HDSDI on the base model as well. And that's the VFM-056W.